Got that 53 Chevy panel delivery done and delivered. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Homestead Model Building. We got that 53 Chevy panel delivery done and delivered to my nephew at his shop, Jason's Automotive. Okay, on to this build. This was the first time that I ever cut the doors out so they open. The kit comes with door hinges and the piece that holds the door hinge. If I would have known the way they made those pieces, I wouldn't have cut those doors. They don't fit to the body right. It took a lot of time to get them to where they work, but they're loose. When you open the door, they sag. I done a lot of detail on this car. I made my own decals for it. Floor mats in it. It says Jason's Automotive on them. And the dash. Everything. Spark plug wires. Said cut the doors open. But it came out fairly nice. He really liked it. He's going to display it in his shop. Now, on to the kit review. On the kit review, there is a few things that are good about it. It is well detailed. The decals has some good detail on them if you use them. I used a few of them. I used them some of the pinstriping, stuff like that. The way they're molded is good. The only problem I ran into is if you go off the instructions, some of the numbers you can't read them. It wasn't well defined. Some of the parts in the mold, they could have done a little better on because some of them had real thick molding on them where they disconnect from the skew. The chrome parts was good, but it had some of the same problem with real thick skew parts that was hard to cut out. Onto the instruction sheet. When you go through it, it gives you what colors of paint, all that kind of stuff like your regular instructions do. As far as like this here, they do have down here the gasser or the custom. So going through that, you know, it's pretty simple. It gives you a number for the parts, but like I said, on the skews, some of the part numbers you can't read. And when you go, as you go through it though, and you get to the parts of the doors, it does not tell you anything about cutting the doors out. It just gives you, get it up here, shows the part, like here, shows you attaching the interior part of the door with the hinge part to the door, and then all it has is a gray area. It doesn't have, don't tell you nothing about you can cut the doors out. The only other problem I did have was cleanup. There was a lot of cleanup on this model. I mean a lot. Attaching the bumpers, I ran into a problem there. Because all you have, let me see if I can find it here. Here is a fairly good picture. And all you have is 4 little points here, same way on the back, to attach your bumper. Well, there isn't even enough surface area there to really attach a bumper to. So I ended up having to do something different there. So on a scale of 1 to 10, as 1 being poor, 10 being very excellent kit, I'd give this one about a 6. So if get one, expect some of these problems. It might not be in every kit. It was on this one. Now here's some pictures and a video. I'll catch you on the other side. Well, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep on modeling. Keep on going. We'll catch you on the next video, on the next build. Not sure what that's going to be, but always smile today, smile tomorrow, and you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's those suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.